Louis is giving the demonstration to the Cub Scouts today.
Then we're going to have Louis here, our youngest member, and our newest pilot. He's going to give you a dissertation on what it takes to become a pilot of radio patrol aircraft.
All right, my name is Louis Mattis, as Ed said, and I want to tell you about the differences between transmitters. This plane, the Hobby Zone Super Cub, went for about $200, and it comes with everything ready in the box. All you have to do is basically put it together, charge your batteries, put batteries in your transmitter, and you're ready to go, basically.
By the time you charge a battery, the plane's ready to fly.
Yeah.
It takes about with moderate building skills, maybe a plane such as this, maybe 20 minutes, a half hour to put it together.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's all in that.
This is Louis' first plane, and
it's been great. It's
in
been
perfect
great.
condition, and might have one. And I got some.
This has got to be one of the greatest trainers of all time.
It's very easy to maintain.
This is called Z foam. It's
really strong.
Unbelievably strong, resilient type of foam. It's very flexible. You see the flexibility in it.
It weighs about
a pound.
This plane weighs just around 22 ounces.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, we're getting ready to fly the flag. Louis, grab your plane off the ground. Why don't we all come out here to the grass area? Maybe you can take a straight line across so that we can see what. Fun fly, that's what the signs tell.
It's called a jackknife, I think. That's the plane that the Scouts are going to fly with the buddy system.
All right, man, you're up.